All right, welcome to this one-page funnel system review. Okay, so what is the one-page funnel system? This is a 100% done for you CPA marketing system. I'm going to explain how that works. But with this one-page funnel system, you only just need one page. That's all. That's why it's called one page, and everything is done for you, right? Let me show you some of the members in this one page funnel system that is making money with this system. Now let's look at this quickly. Look at Christy. You can see the number of commissions she just made within a few days. Okay, let's check another person. Look at who is this? This is Ratnaka. Ratnaka crossed $1,000 with this system. And let's see another person quickly. Let's look at this. Who is this? This is Tioshi. And you can see all the big commissions he's making with this system. It's powerful, right? Let's check more people. Then I'm going to tell you how the system works. This is Cyan. Cyan made $134, okay? And then let's check one more. Then we just check another group of people that are really making so much money with this system right now. So much money, right? You can see so many members that we have in our community right there. And we want to quickly check other people. Look at, this is Jenna Maria, and you can see over $2,800 in commission. Let's check another person. This is Rebecca, and you can see over $1,000 in commission. Look, this is Jeremy, over $1,166 in commission. Look at Hansi, over $1,323 in commission. This is Mitch Tarala, over $3,000 already made with the one-page funnel system. So you can see a lot of people that have used this one-page funnel system, and they have made a lot of money with this system. It's so powerful a system, and that's why I'm introducing it to you. All right, so when you look at the one-page funnel system, it only costs just $7, right? And because the cost is so low, everybody can get involved with this system, okay? Because everybody can afford $7, and it's just a one-time payment for you to be a member of the one-page funnel system. All right, and when you become a member of the one-page funnel system, you are going to get a link, okay? That is the link that you just need to share on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. Now, how do you now make money with this system? Very simple. When you share your link, this is what happens. This system is a CPA marketing system. Now, what is a CPA marketing system? That means that you can promote multiple products without buying any product. So you don't have to buy any product at all. With this system, you don't even do the promotion. The way the system is programmed, everything is done for you, right? That means that somebody else does all the follow-up. You don't do follow-up. Nobody does the follow-up except the system. So the system follows up with your lead and then promote all those multiple CPA products to your lead, right? And whenever any of your lead buy any of those products, then you make a commission. It's just as simple as that. So you can make commissions of $5. As you can see the testimony I show you, you can make a commission of $100, $200, or even up to $1,000, right? Without you buying any product of your own. No, you don't buy anything. The system promotes multiple products to your lead. So all you do, you just send traffic to your lead. That's all I do, right? And look, Even if you don't know how to send traffic, don't even worry about that. The system has its own done for you traffic. So you can just get involved with the done for you traffic in the system. It's so easy, right? And then when they promote for you, you can earn, like I said, multiple commissions from different products in itself. All right. Now let me show you some commissions that I've earned because I am promoting these super systems. Let's look at commissions that you can possibly earn. Can you imagine making $421 paid straight to my Wise account? Okay, look at more commissions that I've made online. $1,027. Are you seeing that? Look at this, $1,500. These are commissions. When you promote products online, these are what you could earn, right? Look at that, $1,000 commissions. Look at $424 in commission here, $360 in commission. Look at all these $300 commissions. So you can see that you can make a good amount of money when you decide to promote products online, and especially when you start using the one-page funnel system that does all the work for you, right? So if you want to get involved in the one-page funnel system, just like I say, it only costs you $7. So all you have to do, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the one-page funnel system. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this, and that will now bring you to this capture page website. All right, and all you have to do, enter your first name here and enter your best email address here, and you see this yellow button that says yes, give me access now. Click that yellow button and get started. All you have to pay is $7 one-time payment, no monthly fees at all, and then you will have access to the membership of the one-page funnel system, and then every other thing is going to be done for you. All right, so guys, that is it. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment below. Okay, and also, if you like this video, please click the like button and also the share button, but don't forget, make sure to subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.